This is a quick video review of my new dash. I had purchased an Knoch dash, and this style it's a prefabrication, and they use fiberglass instead of the metal. I don't know. I'm okay with it. There's some problems with it. I don't know, compared to other dashes. But for starters, there was on the original dash there was a lip all along here that has the mounting screws, and that looks to be about 3/4 of an inch thick, and then it also has a clean edge to it. The new one does not have a clean edge, and it looks like only about maybe a 1/2 inch. And based on the install, we'll see the holes. This edge here might not be long enough for the holes. Like for example here, and then here. There's no holes. I'll have to drill them. But based on location, this hole is like right on the edge. And same here. No hole. And that's on all of them. Okay. And then the metal frame part. Okay. It's not as long either. And then the screws for mounting. On mine it's a large thread with a nut. And then it looks like a machine screw, and I did not get screws to come with it. And then the overall length of it. So if I line the screws up as best as possible, but the Knoch is tad shorter on both sides, so we'll see on the install. And then the pad itself is about the same length. It's this section here. The original seems to be almost a full inch, and this one has a slight under. And the arms that come down the dash, they match, not too bad. Tad short coming down, but the general shape seems to match fairly well. Let me squeeze these together. Not too bad. So, and the pad itself, the pattern, this matches pretty good. So I'm fairly happy with it for now. I'll go to install it sometime later, but I just wanted to do a quick review of this particular style dash. So we'll see. There's rumors that these lighter dashes that have either the plastic or the fiberglass interior can warp in the sun and then separate from the dash when it's right in here. You can see that it starts to wave a little bit. Oh, we'll see.